Here are some natural ways to lower your cholesterol that you probably won't hear from your doctor. So before you try a statin, you might want to consider these. And you should trust me because I'm a pharmacologist that specializes in natural supplements. So to start things off, let's talk about red yeast rice. Red yeast rice is very interesting because there is an enzyme in the body called HMG-CoA reductase. This is the enzyme that makes cholesterol in your body. This is actually the same enzyme that statins block. So statins block this, so your body doesn't make as much cholesterol, so your cholesterol goes down. Well, what's really interesting is that red yeast rice has something called monocolin K that is literally chemically identical to statins. Yes, you heard that right. If you're taking red yeast rice, you're literally taking a statin in a much lower dose. So we have statins that block your own production of cholesterol. Up next, we have artichoke extract. Now, artichoke extract can minorly block this HMG-CoA reductase, but not nearly as much as red yeast rice and certainly not statins. The main benefits you're getting here is that artichoke extract can help with bile flow. This is referred to as a choleretic effect, meaning it helps the body excrete cholesterol through your bile. In addition, the polyphenols such as luteolin within artichoke extract can also help with the oxidation of those cholesterol particles. So it can improve your LDL particle quality and size, which are tightly linked to health complications such as heart disease or heart attacks. And up next, we have berberine, also referred to as nature's Ozempic. It's important to understand here that when we have our bloodstream here and we have our cholesterol molecules, our cells that line the blood vessels here, they have specific receptors. More specifically, they have an LDL receptor, meaning when we have our LDL here, it needs to bind a receptor so then it can leave the bloodstream and lower the cholesterol in our blood. Now, what's interesting about berberine is that berberine helps you make more of these LDL receptors. So there's more receptors, and think of these as more gateways or passageways so your LDL cholesterol can walk right on out of your bloodstream. In addition, it blocks a protein called PCSK9. This PCSK9, when it's blocked, can further increase the levels of those receptors. In addition, berberine can mildly prevent the uptake of cholesterol in the gut by blocking the cholesterol transporters. Can these supplements be stacked together? Yes. Should you mix them with your statins? Absolutely not. But the real question is, how do you know which of these supplements is best for you? Well, we can figure out utilizing genetics. Is your HMG-CoA reductase an issue? Is there bile flow issues? Is your PCSK9, is that gene mutated?